best role.
Yes.
Thank you, Ravi.
Dear Toastmasters and dear guests, Mr. Sonal Jose is the only guest. I don't see the other guest now. Every changing color of a small leaf is very beautiful. And every changing situation in life is absolutely meaningful. You only need to have a small little vision to enjoy, to see and enjoy all these things. Friends, enlarge your vision. Keep updating and keep upgrading. Enjoy the week ahead. See you all next time. Until then, it's bye from me, Gopinath. Over to you, Ashok.
Thank you so much, sir. It was such a brilliant session, and what a way to start the Toastmaster year. Updates and upgrades, and that is the very reason why we are here in Toastmasters. I look at Toastmasters as a forum to learn new stuff, and this recharges me. Like we, this 2 hours of session every week that recharges me, so that it keeps me going for yet another week. So Toastmaster is such a great forum where we can learn from each other, and there is so much to learn from every individual, and we witnessed that in the last 90 minutes. Every individual has had something to bring to the table, and I learned so much just by listening to each other. There are many ways to learn, and there are formal ways, and here in Meraki, every meeting is a way to learn from each other, and everyone brings something to the table, and that's the best part about being in Meraki. So with that, we'll have a quick feedback from our guest Sunil Jose as to what he expected and whether Meraki meeting met his expectation.
My friend, his timing is over, right? I mean,
yes, sir, it is over.
Okay. Good morning, my friends, Toastmasters. Because I said I never felt I'm just walking into a club which is not known to me. 80% of the people sit here, I know them as my colleagues or as my friends. So it's nothing new to me. But I was, for quite some time, me and Satish were discussing about coming in Meraki for a meeting. And then finally, as a non-procrastinator, and then he didn't expect wonders from me anyway. So I took almost 1 year. I mean, it's not as less time for me to. 1 year is nothing for me. Okay, so to come and witness this, I think in one difference which I feel, I've been to a couple of meetings, but as pathway ambassador and all. But one difference I feel is that all of us are in a different level. Okay, so all of us are. When you join a community club, it's like you going to a school, or if you're going to a research center to get more ideas. So I felt like I've been in a research center where all of us are past that graduation, post graduation, and here. So it's actually a willingness to scale up myself. So that's what I walked into Meraki and see how this is being done here. I'm so happy about it. All are professional Toastmasters, I will say, and I'm really happy. I really enjoyed. Obviously, I'm looking for some other new faces also, like here, because all of us see Vijay and all giving evaluation is like, oh, anyway, Vijay is doing is it's like we know it like a district level thing. Okay, so I'm really happy. I'll keep coming back to Meraki meetings. I have a different feeling, so I'm taking something better back today when I go back. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sunil.
There is a small error which crept in. Master evaluation by Priya. She's absolutely ready. We have misstated the master evaluation. The masters are expecting an evaluation. Can we have a master evaluation by Priya? Shall we have it? Ashok?
Yeah, sure. Priya, if you're prepared, we can go.
Yeah,
ahead with
she's
the
ready.
master.
That's what I just saw her face and saw the master's face. They were also expecting their evaluation to be evaluated by Priya, the young Toastmaster, bold at Toastmaster. Over to you, Priya.
Thanks.
Audio.
Thank you so much, Miraculous. So I'm here trying to evaluate the evaluation from the perspective of a speech. So because I have heard several times from the expert speakers that at the end, evaluation is also a speech. So let me start the evaluation telling that evaluation is a speech. So from that perspective, I just want to give the evaluation in a very generic way to both of the speakers at the same time. So vocal variety for the both evaluators has to be improvised because it is a speech, right? So how we start this evaluation and how we inculcate the vocal variety we have learned in Toastmastering has to be used, has to be applied in this in evaluation as well. And the next particular aspect which needs to be improvised in both of the evaluators is that there are, we have seen like if you check out all the pathways program, whichever the path it is, the level seems to be very similar or the objective seems to be very similar. So how this particular speaker stands out when he presents a icebreaker speech, for example, Sundararaman's speech, when from the perspective of a humorous speech. So that needs to be emphasized more, or the credit has to be given for that particular initiation. So how he's taking that icebreaker speech from a humorous perspective. So that objective and the path also has to be stressed or emphasized, and speaker has to be evaluated from that perspective in a more emphasized way. That is the second improvisation I would suggest. But when you see as a from the perspective of the content of a speech, both the evaluators excelled it. I would like to tell the evaluators to improvise in terms of delivery and in terms of emphasizing on the objective and the path. That's it. Over to you, the Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you so much, Priya. Thanks for that nice master evaluation. So are we going for a poll, Bhutatan, best role player?
Yeah, sure. Launching the poll now.